Okay, you're probably quite tired of sets by this point in lecture, but we're almost done, if that helps. And if it doesn't, this problem is similar to what might be asked on a multiple choice section of an exam. So there's an exam coming up in, I don't know, like 3 weeks or something. Long enough that don't get worried about it yet, but short enough to kind of remember it's there. And so because of that, we're going to do this question. And we want to know the power set of A minus B when A equals the set given and B equals this other set. First step, what is A minus B? I often still draw out A minus B because I forget. And I think about it as we take A and we cut out anything that's also in B. So if I look at A and B, they share this element 1. So I'm going to cross it out of A, and A minus B equals 2 and the empty set. Okay, step 1 done. Step 2, we need the power set of this step. One useful thing to remember is that the size of a power set is 2 to the number of elements. So there are 2 elements, I put a 2 right here. And so the size of the power set of A minus B better be 4, which means C is not a valid answer. There are only 2 elements in the set in option C. There are only 3 elements for option B. It looks a little weird to read, but those are only 3 elements. E also only has 2 elements, so those are gone right away, not possible answers. And then A has 1s and 3s in it. There's no 1s and 3s in A minus B. So without really looking at the power set too much, it's got to be D. Now, if we actually wanted to calculate the power set though, just to make sure, we can go right. We need the power set of this set. And sometimes working with the empty set as an element gets me all twisted around. So sometimes I do something like, I'm going to let the variable x equal the empty set. And then I'm going to take the power set of the set at 2 comma x. And then when I take the power set, we have the empty set itself. This is separate from the x, not related to this variable x at all. Power set's going to have the empty set in it. Then we have the set containing just 2, we have the set containing just x, and we have a set containing 2 and x. And that is the power set. And then we can go plug back in this variable where we have x's, and we get the answer they gave us at D. And we're done. That's it. Short and sweet.